servicing Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monona County, northwestern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, Harrison County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Burt County, Washington County, northeastern Dodge County, until 7:15 a.m. At 6:51 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Ottawa to near Tekema to 6 miles east of Nickerson, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Ottawa around 6:55 a.m. Blair and Mondayman around 7:05 a.m. Pisgah and Moorhead around 7:10 a.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Missouri Valley, Logan, Fort Calhoun, Ute, and Modale. This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 71 and 112. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa, Harrison, and Pottawatomie, and the following counties in Nebraska, Burt, Dodge, and Washington.